Looking to grow a garden full of vibrant, long-lasting blooms? Zinnias might just be your new favorite flower. They're cheerful, low maintenance, and perfect for gardens, patios, or even a city balcony. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to grow stunning zinnias, from choosing seeds to harvesting blooms for beautiful bouquets. Let's grow something amazing together. Zinnias come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Pick the one that fits your garden style. If you want bold, tall flowers for cutting, go with Benari's Giant. For pots and smaller spaces, Thumbelina is a great compact choice. Want easy care, disease-resistant blooms? Try the Zahara series, and if you love trendy tones, the Queen Lime Zinnias are stunning. Zinnias love warmth. You can start them indoors 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost. Or direct sow them outside about 2 weeks after your last frost, when the soil hits 60 degrees. City gardeners. Containers warm up faster, so you might get a head start. Zinnias thrive in full sun and well-draining soil. For beds, loosen soil about 8 inches deep and mix in compost. For containers, go for pots at least 12 inches deep and wide. Use a good quality potting mix, not heavy garden soil. To direct sow, plant seeds 1/4 inch deep, 2 to 3 inches apart, and water gently. If starting indoors, use seed trays or peat pots, keep them warm and moist until they sprout. A humidity dome or plastic wrap can speed up germination. Once your seedlings have 2 to 3 sets of leaves, it's time to thin or transplant. Space dwarf zinnias 6 to 9 inches apart, and tall ones up to 18 inches. Don't forget to harden off indoor seedlings before planting them outside. Water deeply at the base once or twice a week. Let the topsoil dry between waterings. Zinnias don't like wet feet. Mulch helps conserve moisture and keeps weeds away. And if you want extra blooms, a monthly feeding with a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer works wonders. Pinch back plants when they're 6 to 8 inches tall to encourage branching. Deadhead often for continuous blooming. Watch for powdery mildew and aphids. Improve airflow and use neem oil or insecticidal soap as needed. Zinnias are perfect for cut flowers. Harvest when blooms are fully open and stems are firm. Use the wiggle test to check. Cut early in the morning or late evening. Strip off lower leaves and place them in cool water right away. Change water daily, and your zinnias can last 7 to 10 days in a vase. For non-stop color, sow a new round of seeds every 2 to 3 weeks until midsummer. Bonus tip: plant zinnias with basil, dill, or cosmos for a pollinator-packed cutting garden. And that's how you grow zinnias like a pro, from seed to stunning centerpiece. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite zinnia variety? Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly gardening tips.